Hey there, welcome to day 1 of our 12 days of baked goods. Today's the 12th day before Christmas and my oven baked for me Pinwheel sugar cookies. It's 2 different kinds. It's a red and white spiral and a green and red spiral. The red is flavored with some peppermint extract and the green and white are just regular vanilla sugar cookies. As always, the recipe will be down below in the description box. Now let's get started on these cookies. You're going to start by getting your cookie dough. So I have my vanilla sugar cookie for this white and green, and then I added some peppermint extract to my red batch. This is just 2 batches of my sugar cookie dough, and then an egg for an egg wash. Start by lightly flouring your counter, and then I'm going to start by rolling out one of my red discs. Just carefully roll out your dough. And I'm using a ruler to get my measurements so that each rectangle is the same size, and I'm using that to cut off the edges. So these I got to about 12 inches in length and about 7 to 8 inches in width. You can always adjust the measurements however you want. So after rolling out the red one, I'm rolling out my vanilla one. Get it to the same measurements. I'm going to get it to 12 inches in length and 7 to 8 inches in width. So this one was about 7.5 inches in width. So I'll make them about 12 by 7.5. Then I placed my white one aside, got my red one. And then I'm going to egg wash the red side so that the white will stick to it. Carefully place your white rectangle onto your red one. And if you don't feel confident doing this step, you can always chill these blocks before you place it on top of each other, just so it's easier to move it if it's firm. And then just slowly start rolling this up. Add a little bit of that egg wash so that it sticks together. And once you've rolled it up, seal it with some more egg wash. And then wrap it up in plastic wrap. And then you can chill this for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's firm, or while we roll out our green and red. So I'm going to repeat this with the green. I'm using my ruler. I'm measuring it out to 12 by 7 or 8 inches. So this one was almost 8 inches. So I did 12 in length, 8 inches by width. So you can make them about 12 by 7 or 12 by 8. So once I rolled my green one, I placed it aside and started on my red one, measured that one out, trimmed the edges. And then did my egg wash on it. Once done, I got my green and placed it on top of my red. And then carefully start rolling this up. And I added the egg wash.
and carefully rolled this up. Did the egg wash to seal it up. And rolled it up in plastic wrap, and I'm gonna chill this again while I cut my red and white. And chilling these will definitely help it firm up so that when you cut it, you get clean cuts. I'm gonna trim the edge off and you can see how cute these look. So just start cutting them up. I got about 12 per roll. I didn't really measure each one, I just eyeballed where to cut it, but you can measure it to get exact sizes. So then once I've trimmed this roll, I'm going to be placing these on a sheet pan with parchment paper. Set your oven to 350 degrees and these will bake between 12 to 16 minutes, depending on your oven. And there's the red and white spirals. Now we're going to trim up our green and red. And you can always change up the color combinations if you want to do different colors, or if you want to do a 3-layer with red, green, and white. And once I'm done cutting up this roll, I'm just placing them on the parchment paper on a sheet pan, and again, bake them for 12 to 16 minutes. And here's our spiral sugar cookies.
I hope you enjoyed this spiral sugar cookie recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of this and everything I'll be making for the 12 days of baked goods, I will be posting on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.